Trimex has always believed in holistic education. Yes, we value academics, but we also value sports, physical wellness, mental health, and the kind of school spirit that shapes strong and grounded people. So tonight, this reminds us that the real learning happens not only in the classroom setting, but the moments like this, when you challenge yourselves, support one another, and rise together.
Please, sa inyo pong lahat, congratulations sa Trimex. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyo pong suporta. Sa lahat ng atleta, mga students, maraming salamat. Salute sa mga Trimex!
May the spirit of brotherhood guide you and guide us throughout the games. Let this competition be exciting, competitive, and fun, but always grounded with respect. So enjoy, everyone. Enjoy tonight. And students, the whole week, let the games begin.